prevent your limited company from being struck off the register by Companies House. It will cost you £468 to get it restored if it's struck off. And on top of that, it will cost you your time if you have to go to court to get it restored. And even worse, your business bank account will be frozen by the bank. And so you will not have access to your business money. If this is your first time here, my name is Amma, a chartered accountant and a tax professional from AB & Co Accounting and Tax Services. On this channel, we cover topics around legal ways you can use to reduce your tax, how to manage your finances in a way that will help you keep more of your hard-earned money in your pockets, and accounting issues in general. If any of these topics are the topics you like to learn from, are the topics you enjoy listening to, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. This video is purely for educational purposes. For personal, tailored advice, please contact us. Your company can be struck off the register for these reasons. 1, if you are not up to date with all filings, such as confirmation statement and statutory accounts. 2, if the company has no director. 3, if Companies House sends a letter to the registered address for the limited company and this letter is returned back to them, it tells Companies House that the company may not be trading. So that can trigger strike off. And finally, if you have a long-term outstanding debt with creditors, creditors can activate compulsory liquidation and that can get your company struck off. Let's consider each of these in detail. But before then, if you have found any value so far, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the like button to send us a signal. The first reason why your company may be struck off is if you are not up to date with all filings, such as statutory end of year accounts and confirmation statements. You are required to file your company's statutory end of year accounts within 9 months from the end of the accounting period. Usually, accounting period is 12 months. This can be long if you lengthen the accounting period. And this can be short if you shorten the accounting period. But the usual accounting period is 12 months. So after the end of the accounting period, your company must submit statutory end of year accounts within 9 months to Companies House. And on top of this, your company must file confirmation statement to Companies House within 14 days from the end of the accounting period. Confirmation statement basically is updating the company's details, such as details of shareholders, details of directors, registered address if it has changed. That is what confirmation statement is for. You need to be careful here. Even if your company is a dormant company, if you believe your company is a dormant company, to keep your company active, you still need to file a dormant account by the due date. Otherwise, your company will be struck off by Companies House. And so, to make it easier for you to see the due dates yourself, to keep track of these due dates, follow these steps. 1, go to Google and search for Companies House. Select Companies House. Click on Find Company Information. Click on Start Now. Enter the company's name in the search box. Select the company and you will see all the due dates that the company must submit the statutory account by and the confirmation statement by. This will help you to keep track of your due date. Make note of this and make sure you update all filings by this date that you see. So this is the first reason why your company may be struck off. The second reason is if the company has no director. Every company must have at least one director. So if your company doesn't have even one director, it will trigger the struck off process and your company may be struck off. The third reason is if Companies House sends a letter to the registered company address and this letter is returned back to Companies House, it tells Companies House that the company may not be trading. And so Companies House may want to investigate if this is true. They will send further letters to the address, checking with you if your company is still trading. If they don't receive any responses from yourself, then they will believe that the company is not trading and they will start the strike-off process. Therefore, it's extremely important to update the registered address for the company so that you will receive letters from Companies House. This is the third reason your company could be struck off. The last reason is if you have outstanding long-term debts with creditors that you don't want to settle. Creditors can trigger compulsory liquidation and that can get your company struck off. And so it's important to settle your debts and on time as well. These are some of the reasons that can get your company struck off. If you have found any value at all, please subscribe to our channel. Share this video so that somebody can also get this important information. Remember to hit the like button to send us the signal that you're enjoying this video. Thank you for watching.